再来看美国的总统大选后礼拜特别举行咯，伫华盛顿州佮奥勒冈州却传出讲有投票箱捣毁哦。另外，川普伫纽约的造势来徛台的喜剧演员是讲，波多黎各是一座笨色岛，佮讲中南美洲的人爱生囝，互批评讲是种族歧视。川普定也嘛赶紧出面解释讲，这毋是川普的意见。
Like, I don't know if you guys know this, but there's literally a floating island of garbage in the middle of the ocean right now. Yeah, I think it's called Puerto Rico.
就是这段争议发言，互川普搁再互批评种族歧视。日前，川普伫纽约麦迪逊广场的造势场合，受邀请的笑话剧艺人辛克利夫讲拉丁族群的耍笑，讲因介意生囝，引发外界批评。来自波多黎各的纽约州众议员欧加修寇蒂兹和民主党副总统候选人华兹对谈的时，语气真激动。
I need people to understand that when you have some a-hole calling Puerto Rico floating garbage, know that that's what they think about you.
People in Puerto Rico are citizens. They pay taxes and they serve in the military at almost a higher rate than anybody else.
辛克利夫透过社群反过来批评上气的人未晓欣赏笑亏，不过本色岛的言论引发效应。爸母拢是波多黎各人的珍妮弗罗佩兹透过社群分享民主党总统候选人贺锦丽支持波多黎各，甲批评川普侮辱共乡的大文。波多黎各的歌手 Bad Bunny 派托啊也分享贺锦丽的竞选影片，用这来表态支持。贺锦丽也出面回应。 批评川普的支持者，甲受训的怒火点火岛分裂美国。川普阵营也紧急出声，表示这个言论无代表川普的意见。另外，华盛顿州甲奥勒冈州二边拢传出投票箱互人放爆炸物来起火热烧的事件。华盛顿州温哥华市的投票箱内底几百张选票因安尼互烧去，因为选票箱内底装有防止着火设计，避免选票箱受到严重的损害。当地首长呼吁选民莫因为安尼放弃投票。警方已经展开调查，认定两件事件有关联，也对监视器发现一只复合的车辆车主有动嫌，当咧全力追捕。公司新闻张淑芬编译。